So a little brief introduction before I actually launch this car. So I still have this car. It's a 2007 M5, E60 M5 manual, 6-speed manual. And the reason being is not because I love this car, but because this car has some unique value. So obviously you guys are aware that lots of, I mean all the cars, like classic and like rare cars, they appreciate a lot. So for example, like 12 years ago I saw a Lamborghini Countach, and they used to sell for $50,000. It was the actual used car on market. The salesperson wanted me to buy the car, and I said, oh, it's a junk piece of crap. But then that car, Countach, a good condition right now, is like over $1 million. And then LFA, the same story. I used to have a 2013 Dodge Viper GTS. I sold it for you know, fixed $80,000, non-fixed. There was a little problem, so I sold it a little cheap. But anyways, it was worth $80,000. But then nowadays it's $150,000. What else? Oh, so 12 years ago I had a chance to buy the 599 GTV Ferrari. They were selling for $189,000, I think, $189,000, like 7,000 miles. Now that car, 599 GTV manual, you have to pay at least like a close to $1 million, or 500 to $1 million, depending on the condition. But you know, it's way over 190 that they used to sell for. So cars are appreciating a lot, especially those the specialty cars. So this car that was only produced in the USA and only like less than like 2,000 units, now it's down to like, I don't know, 500 units because of accidents and you know whatnot. So this car has a huge value. V10 manual M5. I don't think this car has any problem appreciating above 150 or even more, because E60 M3, that, you know, I'm sorry, but you know, it's an old car. It's like very old car. That car is worth like 150 now. So E60 M5 V10, this engine is like so good. I don't think this car has any problem, you know, appreciating over 250 later down the line. So that's why I'm keeping it. And I know it's a burden, and you know, I have to maintain. I just had the brake fluid job. I paid $163, which was at a shop, not at a BMW dealer, because BMW dealer charges like $300 for that. So, and then I love this car on freeways. Even though it's a car is really old, this car drives far better than my new BR0 or Miata. Even drives better than my Camaro LT1. So, you know, this car has some, you know, quality and you know, built-in like raciness in it. Plus I'm thinking about getting the you know, full super exhaust, I mean the super spring exhaust, which is gonna enhance the sound. You know, it's gonna sound the proper, you know, BMW V10 sound, not like right now, because right now it's so silent. And it's gonna increase a little bit of horsepower. But then this car has the previous owner, this is actually, you know, I bought it used. The previous owner, he actually got rid of the top speed limiter, which was set at 155. So now it can go up to over 200. Because I had a, you know, same car, the E60 M6 SMG. You know, I went up to 202 back in the days. So, you know, this car cooks and drives really well, especially on freeways. 0-60, you know, it's not a, you know, starting good, you know, like a 0-60 car, but then on freeways this is very, very good. Anyways, enough talking. So let me do some runs, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so I'm gonna do some launches, and I'm gonna just do like light launches, because this car is old, so I don't want to do anything harsh to harm this car. So just very light. Second gear chirp. Although you couldn't hear.